Hello. So this video is or just it is just a review of what I studied today. It's not like tutorials, and I'm gonna go over um PHP and JavaScript code today. So I couldn't post the video for a long time because I got sick last week and my throat was hurting. And after that, I was working on my assignment and yeah, was not really like the contents for for posting video, but it was more like a research paper, so I didn't post anything for a long time. Yeah, but I'm back finally. Yes. Anyway, let's start. Oh, I have noticed. What is it echo? Okay. So what basically does is so this is a user authentication using PHP. So if you have invalid username and password, and if you submit it, then you get invalid. And if you have like a uh correct number and correct password, you get valid. Then list all questions. If you submit, then you get this table. So this is what it does with this code. So first, it's making those user authentication div, and this is also user authentication div. Then this is where you're sending clients side, uh, like getting PHP means jumping to the server side code, controller PHP, and this allows user to enter values and this one's password. The thing about these two are, for when you want to, how to say this? This start page is used here. This is for verifying which form is this need to execute. There are two forms that I created. Like this is the one, two. And by defining page, which form it wants to execute. So if this page matches start page, then it executes this one, the login function one. I mean validity function one. Then this one is going to be executed. And when page match to main page, which is the second controller PHP thing, main page the values matches. Then it executes get data and construct table, then make table on the second page of the website. So that's what it's doing. And let's see the PHP code. So first I'm gonna explain this validity function. So this is where you're defining username and password. It's putting those username that user entered, and this is the password that user entered. So for example, it is one. If user typed one, then if user typed like password one or something. Then if username matches comp 3540, Then this code is going to be executed and it uses switch statement, then password. And if password matches top secret, then it's going to return true. But otherwise, it returns false. I don't know why I did it to echo. It should be returned. So, um, this validity function is going to return false in that case that I used as an example because username is one and password is password one. So this returns false. Then it execute the validity is going to be come back. So this value is false. So this one's not going to be executed, but the else statement is going to be executed instead. Then I'll echo valid. I mean invalid. That's what it is. Then the next one, construct table. This one is constructing table on PHP side. I mean, it's getting data first. So datas are just these association. What's it called? Objects, yes. Then once it has the object, you're making table and you're defining the first table row, table header. So this one's getting only question date. Then from here, you're making a table, you're defining those contents. You're getting those contents. So this is insisting the first raw, so question like this one. And then you're getting this value inside key, like the property values. So this one only gets how big is universe and this number. Then store those contents value inside TD and then TR, then make table. Then echo str, so returning that, no, displaying that table on the page. So that was it from this PHP. Uh, Last week I was sick, but apparently they learned a lot about PHP and us in website class. And operating system class, I'll have midterms soon, so I really need to review that class too. That's it.